What's up? So there's been a lot of folks asking about adding buttons to the Raspberry Pi, especially no power buttons. Well, I got 4 push buttons right here. 2 of them are wired up, and I got them connected to the gpio pins. And I'm in IRB using the Pi gen. So this button right here, little Cody. This button right here, I had to reboot the Pi. I did it this way just to show you that, not just being able to have a on and off button where you can, that one to shut down, this one to boot up, but you can have one for Kodi, load emulation station, RetroPie, or load Raspbian, or pretty much any other functionality you want to add to a button. So, I'm going to push this guy right here. Oh, did I hit the wrong one? Yeah. Damn, I'll have to reprogram that, the Kodi button. So all in all, let's see, sudo su rb rewire piper. What? And then include piper. Yep. Okay, so after pin 17 goes hi do kind of hard to do this with one hand. Nope. There we go. Okay, so I got it there. So, push the button. And voila.